In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FocusFlight to stay productive while building your own airport city. Whether you struggle with staying off your phone during study sessions, or you simply want a fun way to stay consistent with your work, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, head over to your App Store and download FocusFlight. Once the app is installed, open it up and you'll land on your main city view. This is where all your progress shows up, and it's where your hard work turns into buildings and upgrades. Make sure to explore the layout so you understand where everything is located. Next, look for the focus button on the screen and tap on it. This will take you to the timer section. Here, you can set how long you want your focus session to be. You might choose 25 minutes for a Pomodoro style session, or set a longer time if you're deep into work. Don't forget to name your task before you begin. This helps you stay clear on what you're working on. Once everything is set, tap Start Focus. The timer will begin, and now your mission is simple: stay focused and avoid switching apps. If you leave the app during your session, your plane may crash and you won't earn rewards. It's a built-in accountability system that keeps you disciplined and on track. After your timer finishes, you'll receive a notification. Open FocusFlight again, and if you stayed focused, you'll successfully complete a flight. You'll earn coins and keys as rewards for your effort. Now comes the fun part. Use your coins to buy new buildings, decorations, and upgrades for your airport city. Tap on the shop icon to see what's available. You can add hangars, control towers, trees, roads, and more. Keys can be used to unlock new planes or speed up construction, helping your airport grow faster. If you want to track your progress, tap on the stats section. Here, you can see your total, focus time, number of completed flights, and other performance insights. It's a great way to stay motivated and visually see how productive you've been. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to turn your study or work sessions into a rewarding and engaging experience with FocusFlight. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.